This is a 2016 model John Deere 3230E that I've absolutely tore apart after having the John Deere dealership send a mechanic out to look at it. This tractor's got 802 hours on it since new. It stopped working about 5 years and 1 month old back in May of 2021. I bought it in April of 2016. Paid $24,000 for this tractor and a few extra pieces of equipment. The tractor alone was $21,000. Yes, I have remote hydraulics on it because I pull that hay bind with it. I also pull that hay bob and a few other pieces of equipment. I've used it to make hay. The point of this video is they do not make the part to repair this tractor with, and I am, along with thousands of other people that have this part on back order, this part right here, the ICC. That goes out, the entire tractor is useless. John Deere will not do anything to make it right. I've contacted a few different attorneys, and they said that they're not going to mess with it, basically because John Deere has so deep of pockets. I'm making this video for anyone thinking about getting a John Deere compact tractor. It has plenty of power when it runs. It's a four-wheel drive. I've got maintenance records showing every oil change at 75 hours since new, the fuel filter changes, etc. Anything I've ever done on this tractor, I've got maintenance records on it. But I just want to make this video to help anyone else out. You can go get a Kubota. Kubotas, they don't happen to have this issue because I've called Kubota and asked them about it. I just don't like the fact that the tie rods are in front of the axles on the front of a Kubota, because I have stumps every here and there. And you hit one of those and you lose your steering. Tractor's dead where it sits. Well, so much for going that route, because I have a $24,000 boat anchor right here. I wish you the best in selecting your tractor. So if you're many of the people, the other few thousand people that are like me, that John Deere says are on back order, leave a comment in the description. Let me know about how many hours yours had on it. Let's get this going, so maybe one day John Deere will start making it right on people. $24,000 for 5 years of use, or 800 hours of use, whatever the case may be. That's pretty ridiculous. I do want to thank you for watching this video, and once again, share it if you would, so we can get the word out, so maybe John Deere will start making these replacement parts so people can get their tractors back going again that they have so much invested in. Thank you.